Honda unveils a clutch-equipped Rebel 250. Honda's new mechanism, the A-clutch, which was released last year and caused a buzz, is a noteworthy technology that allows you to shift gears without using the clutch. It was first installed on two midsize sports models, the CB650R and CBR650R. This A-clutch will also be installed on the new 2025 Rebel 250, which was recently announced as the third model to be equipped with the A-clutch. In addition to the standard model, the Rebel 250 A-clutch will be newly introduced. The style remains the same as before, but the A-clutch mechanism is installed in the clutch cover, making it easy to distinguish from the outside. What the A-clutch does is automate clutch operation. For this reason, unlike scooters and automatic vehicles, the gears do not change automatically, but the rider still needs to shift gears. However, it does not require the delicate control of the half clutch, which was a hurdle for beginners, and there is no need to worry about sudden stalls, so it can be said to be a mechanism that greatly opens the door to manual transmissions. The general specifications of each model, such as engine output, remain the same as before, but the weight of the A-clutch model is 174 kg, S-Edition A-clutch is 175 kg, which is 3 to 4 kg heavier than the standard model's 171 kg. The exterior has also undergone minor changes. First, the layout of the handlebars has been changed, and they are now positioned closer to the rider by being closer to the front and higher. This makes it easier for even smaller riders to ride and improves controllability. In addition, the seat has been made more cushioned and the urethane inside has been revised to improve comfort during long-distance rides. The shape of the bump rubber on the rear suspension has also been revised to improve ride comfort. However, the seat height remains the same as before, so the stable foot placement remains unchanged. The color variations have been completely updated. The standard model comes in one color, matte dim grey, while the A-clutch model comes in two colors, matte gunpowder black metallic, and matte fresco brown. The S-Edition A-clutch comes in two colors, pearl shining black, and pearl cadet grey, and there are 5 colors available in all variations. Imagine if they eventually extend this tech to their 500cc lineup, think the NX 500, CB500F, and Rebel 500. This could open the doors for even more would-be riders to experience the joy of two wheels without intimidation. Hope you all enjoyed such content. If it delivers or if you found it useful or informative, then please do give us a like, share and do subscribe so you would be notified for the future contents. Thank you.